AddMaths 2009 question 7, it's all about logarithms. In A we're going to use the laws, and that's when we add logs, we multiply the values. If we subtract, we divide, and if we have a power, that can be written as n log a. So if I start with 3 log p, that will simplify using the third rule to the log of p cubed. 4 log q will simplify to the log of q to the power 4. And then if I use the first rule, if I'm adding my logs, then I multiply the value, so that's p cubed q to the power 4. B requires us to use the same laws again, only this time in reverse. So I'm going to start by writing the square root of c as c to the power a half divided by d. I know from my second law that division is equivalent to subtraction, so that's log to c to the power a half minus log d. And then finally, from the third rule, I can bring the half down in front of the log. So a half log c minus log d. Part C, we're going to use the fact that a to the power b, if it equals c, is exactly the same as log to base a of c is equal to b. So 6 to the power 2 minus 3x equals 15. So the log to base 6 of 15 is 2 minus 3x. I now have an equation that I need to rearrange and solve for x. So 3x has to equal 2 minus log to base 6 of 15. I'm going to use my calculator now. 3x is equal to... So 3x is 0.48860. And if I divide that by 3, I get a value for x of 0.1628, which to 3 decimal places is 0.163. This is one method for answering this question. As we look at the mark scheme in Part C, you can see a second method where they have taken the logs of both sides, used the third rule to bring the power down in front, and again reorganised to find x, but we get the same answer.